funny? Is it just beginner's luck? Maybe with just a touch, two different people from such different worlds apart, and touch each other's hearts like candles in the dark. Well, it's time for us, we gotta take it, take the chance to make it now.